So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use a BCD to 7 segment converter within the simulide simulator. So how we can do that? First of all, you can see that we have a lot of components within the simulide. It is just like the Proteus software, so we have a lot of components here. So here we will search for BCD to 7 segment converter, and here it is. Click on it and drag it out like this. So this is our BCD to 7 segment converter. So now what it will do, it will take the binary coded data and then it will convert it into the 7 segment logics or 7 segment form. So we will drive our 7 segment display with the help of this decoder or converter. So now we will go and we will take our 7 segment display. So this is our 7 segment display. You can see now we will convert like this. We can attach its pin A to A, B to B, C to C, and so on. Okay, and what about dot? We are not using this dot function here. But what about this negative sign? It is actually a common cathode for all the LEDs within the 7 segment display. So we will go and we will take ground. Okay, now in order to provide the binary coded or digital data on all the pins, that is from S0 to S3, we need fixed voltages or simple power supply. So this is our first. We will copy it out and we will paste it out so that we will get second one. And what about third one? This is third, and next fourth. Okay, we will connect S0 with the first supply, S1 with the second, S3 with the S2 with the third, and S3 with the fourth one. Okay, and what about this enable? Okay, we are not going to provide any sort of logic on it. Hopefully it will work without it. So now we run it out. We can see that while getting 0, 0, 0, 0 on all the pins from S0 to S3, we are getting 0 displayed on the 7 segment display. Now we will go for 0, 0, 0, 1, the next combination. So we got 1. And what is the third combination? Our next combination, it is 0, 0, 1, 0. It is 2. Okay. And what about fourth combination? It is 0, 0, 1, 1. That's according to the digital table, DLD table. And what about the for 4 or fifth one? So it is 1, 0, 0 or 0, 1, 0, 0. It is 4. Okay. And what about the next one? It is 1, 0, 1. It is 5. And then 0, 1. Okay, sorry. It is not like this. Okay, so it is 1, 0, 1 is 5. So 1, 1, 0 is 6. And then 0, 1, 1 is 7. And 1, 0, 0 is 8. And 1, 1, 1 and 1. Okay, sorry. 1, 0, 0 is 8 and 1, 0, 0, 1 is 9. So it is up to 0 to 9. We can even go for like 1, 0, 1, 0, it is A, and 1, 0, 1, 1, it is B, and 1, 1, 0, 0, it is C, and 1101 it is D, and 1110 is E, and then F. So we have gone from like 0 to 9 and then to F. So in this way we can convert our binary coded data into the 7-segment form. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can convert your binary coded data to the 7-segment format. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.